बच्चों, how are you doing? I hope you all are fine. So let's take a new topic, conjunctions. Conjunction is a word that joins together, joins words, group or words or sentences. So conjunction क्या है? जो join करता है a word that joins words, group of words or sentences. ये sentence भी हो सकते हैं, कुछ group के like group भी हो सकता है words का और words भी हो सकते हैं, right? So हम look at the examples. Geetika switched on the light because it was getting dark. So this because word is joining two sentences. Geetika switched on the light. It was getting dark. So now it's making sense that Geetika switched on the light because it was getting dark. So दोनों को मिलाने से एक sense बन गया. Right, so because is conjunction here, Geetu and Meetu, so two people are there to join them. We have added and are going to school. Shubham likes cold coffee, but he doesn't like hot tea. So to tell sentence to tell about the liking and disliking of him, we have added but. Do you want toffee or chocolate? So here the choices were there. So we have used the conjunction or in here. Some common conjunctions are and, but, because or so, for, yet. Use of conjunctions. And it is used to denote addition. Example, my father bought me a dress and I liked it. But it is used to denote contrast. Example, June is hot but January is cold. Because it is used to denote the reason. Example, Neha did not speak because she was feeling shy. Or is used to denote option. ये option जैसा कि हमने अभी किया था टॉफिस और क्या था ना टॉफिस और चॉकलेट के बीच में, तो और हमारी ऑप्शन को डिफाइन करता है. एग्जाम्पल, वुड यू लाइक अ रैबिट और अ पेट और अ टोर्टॉइस. वुड यू लाइक अ रैबिट फॉर अ पेट और अ टोर्टॉइस. So is used to denote result. Okay, it was a hot day so we did not go out. hot day होने की वजह से हम बाहर नहीं जा पाए, तो हमारा result क्या है? We did not go out. For is used to denote the reason. Example, I did not do any shopping for I did not have money. क्योंकि मेरे पास money नहीं थी इसलिए मैंने shopping नहीं की. Yet is used to denote contrast outcome. ऋषि वर्कड हार्ड येट ही फेल्ड. इतनी मेहनत करने के बाद भी फेल हो गए. सो ये क्या डिनोट करता है? कॉन्ट्रास्ट आउटकम. लेट्स हैव अ लुक ऑन एक्सरसाइज नाउ. A part, fill in the blanks with appropriate conjunctions. Bread and butter is my favorite breakfast. So we are combining two things together. So we have used conjunction and. Yes. B part, join the following sentences using conjunctions. He was not well, so he did not go to school. Right? So we have added. तो क्योंकि result इसका result क्या था? He did not go to school. So we have added so. C part, underline the correct conjunctions to complete the following sentences. You can play outside. It has stopped raining. You can play outside because it has stopped raining. Right? D part, correct the following sentences and rewrite them. I bought a pizza so I was very hungry. आपको लगता है यहाँ so का यूज़ होना चाहिए? नहीं. I bought a pizza because I was very hungry. Right? Fine बच्चों, do this exercise carefully and have fun. Enjoy.